I will be at the service of the party for campaigning across Maharashtra, across the country, and I do hope that the commitment that we can see in the people, in our Karyakartas, will certainly give Prime Minister Narendra Modi 400 members of parliament from the NDA, and the BJP will offer 370 MPs to support Prime Minister Modi's vision of a developed India by 2047.
As this time NDA has targeted 400 par in the country, Maharashtra NDA has targeted 45 par. So how do you see on that target after 45 seats?
I have absolutely no doubt that Maharashtra will give the NDA 45 MPs out of 48, possibly even more, because of the good work that Eknath Shinde ji, our Honorable Chief Minister, both our Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers Fadnavis ji and Pawar ji are giving to the people of Mumbai, to Maharashtra. I am absolutely confident that in our mission to support and strengthen Prime Minister Narendra Modi's hands to serve the nation and make India a powerful voice in the world, the people of Mumbai, the people of Maharashtra will not be left behind.